Hi everyone, this is a review of the Waterpik Water Flosser Cordless Plus. I paid about $70 for this from Target, but there are cheaper prices online like Amazon, which I'll post the link in the description down below if you're interested to purchase this. But I'm going to go over the pros and cons of this item and my thoughts utilizing it compared to floss. So let's jump right into it. And if you haven't already, press the subscribe button down below. It's going to help out the YouTube channel and also make you guys aware of new videos I post on a daily and weekly basis. All right, so let's jump into it. When I purchased this, the main thing I was looking for was not only a rechargeable water floss where you can be able to charge right there. I was looking for something that replaces this flossing in general. And, from doing the research and also utilizing the product, I didn't realize, water flossing does not, replace or substitute utilizing floss, unfortunately. But I think it's a pretty good way to engage yourself in flossing. It does help out. There are a variety of different heads that come with it, as you can see right here. They've got a variety of smaller ones that you just plug in. This one is nice because it kind of massages, your gums and before it kind of puts water in there. And then you've also got, this one right here too. So this is pretty nice. This is the one I use, it really differs upon anybody else, but I'm gonna try to zoom in right here. There we go. But this is the one I use. Is the one that, in my opinion, goes into the teeth and helps out. There are two settings here for low and high. I usually just use high. The on and off switch right here. You're gonna get basically, when you do fill it up, you're gonna get a pretty good amount of time. They estimate about 20-30 seconds, but when I have it on full, I get about 25 seconds on continuous high usage. So keep that in mind when using this product. To take this off, you have to press this button down over here, and it's very easy to take this off. If you want to rotate it, you just turn it like this, and it's very easy. Very intuitive, very straightforward. The weight of it is not that heavy. So if you guys are thinking about, okay, this is a very heavy product, it is not. I purchased this because this is a cordless and rechargeable battery Waterpik system. So as I stated and shown you earlier, there are 4 tips included, 2 pressure settings. Pretty straightforward, pretty intuitive. These are some of the marketing stuff that they provided. There are some benefits if you have braces or implants, but again, it doesn't really substitute for flossing. And this is right here, 45 seconds of water capacity. Like I said, that's probably on the low setting, not the high setting. But again, this doesn't really, in my personal opinion, I think many others that when I did research online, dentists and other folks, it doesn't really substitute for flossing, but it does help in terms of utilizing it to get a cleaner gum line and remove some of the plaque, not all of the plaque. So with that said, guys, press the like button. It's going to help out the YouTube channel. And comment down below if you have used Waterpik or a different type of brand and you noticed that it worked for you or did not work for you. Would love to hear about it down in the comment section below. And if you have used this product or another product, I want to hear your thoughts on it. Love to kind of get your perspective. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to post it below. Thanks.